Hey, how you doing today?
Oh, good.
How can I help you?
Looking for an oil change.
Perfect. Come on in. I'll take your keys. Thank you. Everything else looks good. Mr. Bundle?
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, good.
All right. Okay, so just going over your multi-point inspection here. Fluids are looking good. Trans fluid, brake fluid, coolant, all right where they should be. You don't have power steering fluid, as you have electric power steering. We topped off your windshield wiper fluid. Battery tested good. Brake lines, everything looking good. You don't have a clutch. Axle boots looking good. Coolant system, drive belts, exhaust, all looking good right now. Your passenger low beam headlight is out, which we saw on our walk around. Brakes, you do need rear brakes. You have 7 millimeters of pad in the front, which is good, but only 2 in the back. So we can go over brake prices after this.
Okay.
But you do need rear brakes right now. No cracks in the windshield. Your front windshield wipers are torn, so it's a good idea to get new wiper blades in the front. The rear one's good. We are recommending a tire rotation. We did measure your tire tread depth. The fronts are at 5/32 and the rears are at 7/32, so it would be a good idea to swap those and get them rotated. Got the notation of the little dent and the scuffs in the back passenger corner there. There's a little bit of inner toe wear on the front tires as well, so it would be a good idea to do an alignment. So a rotation and alignment recommended today. So your engine air filter is good today, nice and clean. The cabin air filter though is dirty. That's the one HEPA filter that affects all the air you're breathing in the cabin. So it'd be a good idea to replace that. And we did set your tire pressure to the factory recommendation.